In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your QuickBooks online sign-in email address. Whether you've recently changed your email provider or simply prefer to use a different email for your QuickBooks account, updating your email is a straightforward process that ensures you continue receiving important notifications and stay connected with your account securely. Let's dive into the steps. To get started, you first need to sign in to your QuickBooks account. Head over to the QuickBooks online login page and you'll find the sign in option right there. Click on it, and when prompted, choose QuickBooks Online from the options listed. Next, you'll need to enter your current login credentials. This means typing in your existing email address and password. After that, click Continue to access your account. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the page where you'll spot your profile photo. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. Within this menu, search for and select Manage Your Intuit account. This is where you'll be able to modify your account settings, including your email address. Once you're on the Manage Your Intuit account page, direct your attention to the options on the left-hand side. Here, you'll want to click on Sign In and Security. This section encompasses all the security-related settings for your account, and it's exactly where you need to be to change your email. Moving forward, you'll be presented with various security options. Look for the one labeled email address and click on it. This is where the magic happens. It's the gateway to updating your email details. After clicking on email address, you'll have the opportunity to type in your new email address. Make sure to enter it carefully to avoid any typos, since this is the email you'll use for logging in and for all official communications from QuickBooks. Once you've entered the new email, the next step is to confirm it. You'll usually need to type it in again in a confirmation field, which is a good way to double check that it's correct. The final step in this process is clicking Save to apply the changes. Remember to look for any additional confirmation prompts, since some updates might trigger extra security checks, like sending a verification code to your new email. And there you have it, you've successfully updated your QuickBooks Online sign-in email address. By keeping your contact details up to date, you ensure that you won't miss out on any critical account information and maintain the security of your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to check out the QuickBooks support page for more detailed assistance. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.